Okay, this is the car bumper door. Usually some people, or like myself, I found that this one missing, and for the front one there's two. It's kind of a car bumper one, and the other one is on the top here, two, and this is to against to your here, especially here, and this one tend to be loose if you do a car wash, or you never wash yourself, or if you wash yourself, when you wipe this area, when this one hit by cloth or your hand, then it will come out easily. But now, like example, like just like this, actually it's a very simple rubber and it clip like this, but you see this is it's a bit wobbly and wiggly, and today I'm trying to make it this firm. So what I do is I take out like this, very simple, because when you pull it not straight away come out like this. So I will try to use the cable tie. Okay, once I use cable tie, I'm going to do a round circle to this. Round circle 2 times, and then make it tight. Then just like this. Then I will cut the cable tie. Not so long, just same length. So we have so it's 2 round. 1, then 2. Okay. Once I got the firm, I'm making sure this one is go inside. So go inside like this. Then I tie 1 or 2 times, or 3rd time. 1, 2, maybe 3, just like this. So I'll just leave it like this, and now I put it back. So the way I put it back, I just make sure this one is just like this, and the other one is just like this. Okay, then I push in slowly the rubber. So once you push in, now with this cable tie, it's a bit hard to go in, but once you should go in, you push firmly to the body. Then this one will have more firm, so it's not like just now wiggly and then wobbly, and now it's so firm, so it's not easy to accidentally take out from the main body. So just make sure everything is the thing is good inside. Push and turn should be okay. So this is very firm already, so I don't think it's very easy to take out accidentally. So I already done this also in here, so it's not easy to, it's not wobbly or wiggly. Yeah, I think that's about it. This is just a trick, may work or may not work with yours, or you can just buy these 10 pieces. I think it's about $7 in the online, but I won't spend again for this. I asked service center to replace it. I think I lost one each here on the driver's side and the passenger side. Okay, this is how I prevent it. Thank you.